first bath. Chaska. And there's Tula. There's Yachi. Orisha. There's Orisha. So, you know, this is sort of the natural kind of sparring. This occurs in the wild, and it'll also occur among pet parrots. And as long as the birds are roughly of the same size, there's no harm done. You can watch them sparring because they both want to take the bath. Oh, Risha. See, now nobody wants the bath. Come on. All right, Chaska, you can have the bath. You want the bath? Shango? Shango. Yachi? Okay, Chula. Here's Orisha. 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 You wait your turn. You know what's funny is I just fed these birds and they would rather have a bath than eat. So you got the kebabs filled with the seed hopper. They would rather have a bath than eat. What do you think, Orisha? Oh, Chula. Now these happy huts, you have to remove the tassels that come attached to them because birds can get tangled up in those tassels. As you can see, I've replaced them with leather and leather straps and pony beads. But yeah, when you buy these particular kinds, actually they look like that, and they will have like cotton tassels. You do not want those tassels on there. Get them off because birds can and will strangle on them. Oops, they got the lens wet.